Welcome back to Darkness. The following video has been taken from public sources and is for entertainment purposes. Please do your own research. The CL1 computer. A computer that's actually made from human brain cells. Yeah, you heard me right. They took living human neurons and sealed them inside a machine. This is the CL1, the world's first commercial biological computer. Not silicone pretending to be a brain. It's a brain grown from human stem cells. They lay the stem cells across a silicone chip, and they lock them inside a black box that must actually breathe for it. Hundreds and thousands of human living cells reprogrammed from skin or blood, and they're forced into neurons, then placed upon the electrodes like a nervous system without a body. But these cells can't live on electricity alone. They've got to be fed. A closed life support system surrounds them. It pumps and circulates a nutrient-rich fluid, a carefully balanced solution of sugars, salts, amino acids, and growth factors, bathing every neuron so it may continue to fire. Temperature is held near the heat of living blood. Gases are measured and exchanged, and waste is filtered away. The machine doesn't merely power the cells, it sustains them, and it keeps them alive. Without this constant feeding, the culture would die within hours. With it, the neurons can endure for up to 6 months before living tissue finally fails and must be replaced. You write code, you send electrical pulses into the wetware, and the neurons answer. They learn, they adapt, and they form patterns no purely digital model was ever trained to make. They play, they solve, they remember, in their own strange biological way. It's not artificial intelligence. This is synthetic biological intelligence, also called wetware. A mind that's not quite human and not quite machine, and still somehow both. There's no roar of servers, only the quiet, steady rhythm of pumps feeding the brain cells in the dark. The CL1 doesn't dream, but it thinks, and it must be fed to exist. Cortical Labs, the body in a box, computing reimagined and alive. Well, thank you for joining me for another episode of Darkness. If you've enjoyed my content, please like, share, and follow for more.